kindergarten. Hello everybody, it's 3 o'clock, wake up time. Sky, Chase, Everest, wake up, everybody wake up. I am awake. Good job, Sky, you were the first one to wake up.
Me too, I woke up fast.
Well, good job, I have a surprise for you. Look at that. I know that you guys like surprises.
Wow, so interesting. Let me see what's the surprise.
Well, the surprise is these alphabet cubes are hidden. You have to find them and make words with them. But before that, we have to go freshen up.
Okay, let's go. Let's freshen up faster. I want to go play already. Well, guess what? I will find all the letters first.
Stop, Chase. First, you have to brush.
Thank you. Okay, let me wash my hands.
Everest, stop splashing. Slowly.
Sorry.
Now, Sky, and let's brush your hair.
And with the towel.
Well, now that everybody's ready, let's go.
Yay! Look what I found on the swing set. Yes.
Well, good job, Ghost Spidey. You found the first one.
Well, I smelled something here. Oh, I see something here.
Oh, that's right. You found the other cube.
Look what I found. I searched all of it and I can't find anything. Oh, wait, I found one. Yes. Oh, with these blocks, I think we can build.
Well, certainly, Geico, but you know what else we could make? Some words.
Kids, let's go. Let's make some. I am going to make the word kids. Oh, there is the K.
And what goes after K? I.
Oh, I know what goes next. D. Here is D. Oh, I see the letter S, the last letter. It's in green.
Well, good job, Sky. This is letter S. Now, it's time for us to read the word.
Okay. Kiss.
Well, you guys play here. Don't go anywhere. And I will be back with your favorite meals.
Let me hop on. This feels so good. Woohoo! Ooh, the water is so cold. Yoo-hoo! Look at us float. Oh, I'm tired. I'm very hungry. Where's the food? Oh, I think Anushka made us some food. Let's go. Woohoo, coming.
Well, today we will be making some delicious pizza. We have some dough and let's roll it out into thin, round shape. Well, our crust is ready. Well, now it's time to put some vegetables on it. Let's put some spicy chilies on it. Now time for some mushrooms. Let's cut up some salami into pepperonis. And some shrimp. Let's put it into the oven now. Let's set it to 375 degrees.
Ooh, something smells super delicious. I can't wait to eat.
Well, the delicious pizza is now all ready. Let's go serve it to them now. Voila! Here you go. Delicious pizza.
I am so hungry. This looks so delicious. This is delicious. Thank you so much, Anushka.
You're welcome. I'm glad you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Kindergarten!
Oh, I love sweets so much. Ooh, very tasty. Guys, wake up, wake up. I have so many sweets here. What? Sweets? I'm coming. Wow. Let me taste. Wow. Whoa, what's this pain? Oh my god, my teeth! I'm in pain!
Wait, do you guys hear a sound? Somebody looks like they're crying. Let's go see. It's hurting. Oh, my dear Ovelet, what happened? Why are you crying?
Oh, I know. Because she ate too many sweets.
No, Ovelet, you shouldn't eat a lot of sweets. You will get cavities if you eat too many sweets. Girls, wake up. Let's go, let's brush our teeth. Wake up.
Wait, Ovelet, why are you crying? Now I understand why you're crying. Well, Ovelet, I suggest you not to eat too many sweets. You can eat fruits. They don't cause any cavities.
Oh, I agree with you, Princess Sophia. It is good to eat more fruits than candy. But today, let's have the roll count. Let's see if everybody's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Looks like everybody is here. Let's go to the bathroom.
Oh, let's go. I'm coming. Oh, it hurts. I shouldn't have so many candies. That's why people tell not to eat too much candies. Did you listen?
Oh, it's okay, Owlet. I see you're in a lot of pain. Let's take her to the dentist.
I'm afraid of the dentist.
Well, nothing to be afraid of. Dentist is just going to help you out.
Oh, I see. If the dentist is going to help me with the pain, I'm ready. I'll go. Woohoo! I have an idea. Let's play doctor. Oh, welcome to the doctor's office. How may I help you? Oh, my teeth hurt. Well, take a seat, my dear. Whoa. What are these? These are so cool instruments. Open your mouth, please. Oh, looks like someone ate too much candy. The candy is stuck in your teeth.
Oh, Owlet, you just brushed your teeth badly, that's why.
Oh, and I don't know how to brush my teeth properly. Oh, don't worry. Let me show you how to brush your teeth correctly. Okay, so first thing you have to do, take the brush and go up and down, up and down. This way. Oh, okay, I understand.
Let's see how to brush with an electric brush. Let's take some paste, toothpaste.
Ooh, that feels funny. Now, I will only brush my teeth with the electric toothbrush. It's fun and it doesn't hurt my teeth. Now, let's all be dentists and let's treat that guy over there.
Good idea, Princess Sophia. Let me get him. Hello, mister. Say ah.
Sir, you have one cavity here. Oh, fear not. Here we are. We will treat you right away.
Oh, looks like you guys are having fun. Meanwhile, let me go whip up something in the kitchen, something healthy and tasty.
Oh, what do we do next? Oh, I can help you out. Now, all you have to do is cavity filling. Okay, let me do the filling.
Today, let's pick something healthy and tasty. Let's make some fruit salad. Our melon is ready. Now it's time to make strawberry. I bet strawberry shortcake will love it. Let's add some strawberry. Take some raspberry. Ooh, we have some beautiful raspberry ready. Raspberry, watermelon, cherry, and one more cherry. This fruit salad is really good for your health. It has all the vitamins and you won't get any cavities.
Ooh, a lot of fruits. Wow, I love it. Watermelon, I love it. Very tasty. Oh, It is the tastiest and healthiest snack ever. Thank you so much, Kanishka.
Oh, Princess Sophia, I'm so glad you guys all like it. And I hope you also eat a lot of fruits. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!